Okay, and then call Dad immediately to get soap as well. Ole, ani chuan kapa kha sabon lo lei ngal turin han bevatte. Oh my God, what a forgetful creature I am. Karei lalpale eng ang fakau hai hot nge mokani le. Did you call him Mom? And how long he's gonna take? Nu, kapa chui biem. Eng tika nge aron tendon. Yes, I did. He'll be reaching within 15 minutes. So sorry for that, sweetheart. Oh, kabeto mit som panga vela alau tlengang kathiam lo takzetani boite. It's okay, Mom. And don't blaming yourself. In thiam lo du su kanu. Eng kima traffic e. Hello, I have arrived. Why are you so careless? You should check everything before. Don't ever repeat it again. Kalau thlenge ngatinge in film khurlo em trin. A main eng kim hi en fel trin tu rasin. Tito ngai reng suang chu. I'm really sorry. This is my mistake. I'll take care of everything from now on. Tati pal tak zetani. Kay ma thiam lo liaw ani e. Tu na tang chuan kalau ngai tu thato don nia. It's okay, Dad. Everyone has to take responsibility on it. We should not blame others. Anyway, get me soap immediately. A traffic e kapa kan vai mo phurnavek ania midang kan dem turbik anilo engpo chuni se sabon chu min lo pevatte. Relax, dear. Take a seat. I'll go and give her. Dudak hadam la lo thuro keiman kan penge. No, I'll go and hand over to her. It's not a big deal, my dear. Nilove, kill her sa nilohi. Keiman kan penge. Dudak. Dad, please hurry. It's gonna be late. I have to do so many things today. Kapa khong ayin man mote. Atlai may don. Vo into tilti tur kangate may niya. I'm coming, sweetheart. Kalau kale, boite. Thanks. You are the best dad ever in this world. Kalau me, hekovela pathaber hichu ivahan nite lulem. Dear husband, please come over here. I need your help. Pa, heta lo kalokte ipui kangaya niya. Of course. What's the matter? Te reng me engenita. Please lift up this table. I want to sweep it off under this table. It's very dirty. I could not lift up myself. Khong ayin he dau kan hi lo choi kang lokte an huai ka phiat dua a bal sia keima chuan ka choi kang so tlat lo mai. Why not, dear? I'll be here with you to help you out whole day. Lutuke le dutak vo in nileng in nang ma pui tur chein ibula kom donia. Oh, really? Then who's gonna hang out on behalf of you? Oh, tak mo. Ani chuan tunge nang ma ai leng chuak tang. Don't talk recklessly. Otherwise, I won't help you. Trong puat su. Ani lo zongin kapui lo mấy tur chenia. Hi, Mom. Where is the dirty clothes? I'm gonna wash it first. In the meantime, I'll clean the mirror as well. Nu khong e thom nobal ho hi. Kasuma sapotanga chumi chung chuan dar thalang katifayang. Okay, wait for a second. I'll go and get it. Ole, lo hak lok la karon lang e. Ole, san inatan chuan kan du tok le photanga phone mai maya buat sai kan ya wangin fil thel le ngai thak reom deute alo mani chuan komin lama te min lo silula kalom le ang in lo trong kai puya in lo lok pi nge ka du sak em cheu ani.